Happy New Year. It's Chrissy here. Welcome. If you are new, you know what to do. Click that subscribe button if you want to join the squad. Come on in, bring it on in, all of that. So as you guys can tell by the title, I will be doing a SHEIN party essential haul, movie inspired. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Here's the bag, guys. I finally freaking got my freaking package. It came in the span that it said it was gonna come, but it was gonna come a little later, and I didn't want to pay for like express shipping because it would have been crazy, because literally express shipping was only gonna come a day before. Because of when I bought it, it was around the holidays. So you guys, I wanted to do my daughter, who is born on New Year's Day. Happy birthday to her. It's actually New Year's Day and I'm filming this unboxing. But I wanted to do her a party this weekend, and it's going to be Hollywood cinema inspired. So I got a few things off of SHEIN. Maybe if you're doing a Hollywood cinema inspired, this could probably give you like some ideas on some things to do. So first things first, I have these 3 blankets. I got 3 of these blankets. They were like maybe like $4 each. I got 3 because I have 3 daughters. I wanted to customize this using vinyl and just putting like cinema type things on there so it can just be with the themes. But I'm gonna open up one of them so y'all can see what it is. It is like a plush type blanket. It's not really big, but it's just like a quick little throw blanket for them to get and use. And I also got this for them to have like as far as like a party favor idea. It's not really big, like literally it's like for a little baby. So if they cold right here, they can just like wrap it up or whatever on their arms or something, you know, or their legs, you know. It ain't really that big. I didn't want to get nothing like too big, but they did have other sizes and stuff. It is very soft, and it's like a little plush to it. It's not super thick, but it is like warm. It feel like one of them little throw blankets you can put on and keep you warm. And I was just going to customize this and just give this to them as like a party favor, and also they'll be able to use this if they would like to, or they could just use their other stuff that they want to use, like the other blankets or whatever. But I got 3 of these. Since we are going with the red, black, gold, and white theme with the Hollywood, like for Hollywood cinema, I went ahead and got us like some pajamas since it will be like a Hollywood cinema movie night. I got a 8Y for 2 of my daughters because they were like the same size. And this is what they look like. These are like some little pajama pants. And it's actually a nice quality. It did look a little different online, I feel like, but it's still all work. I didn't know that it was like gonna be like a burgundy in here, but it's cool or whatever. So yeah, this will be really cute. I got 3 of these, and they actually have some pajamas that are already like this. So if they choose not to wear these, I already wear the plaid ones that they have. But I just got some new ones because I wanted all of them to have all the same. I got 2 8Ys, and now I got a 12Y. And the 12Y I'm pretty sure is like way bigger. And this is for the actual birthday girl. So yeah, same quality, nice and stretchy. Has that elastic band for stretch, and it's just really nice. Honestly, I feel like this is some good quality. They don't feel thin, cheap, so that's a win-win. I also had to give me some because I was just like, their dad had some, they now have some, or some more. Now I've never had none like these, so I went ahead and got me some. Mines are a little bit different. As y'all can see, mines are a little bit different, okay? There's a more like this, but it'll all flow and go because it's all pretty much the same colors. Like this dark color right here kind of looks a little bit burgundy because it's mixed with black. But y'all see, mines are plush. Mines feel like that blanket, like a little thick material blanket. And they were under, I believe, $10. So I just went ahead and got them. And plus it was around the holiday time, like Christmas was coming up when I ordered this stuff. So you guys, I have these clamper boards right here, and these are actually pillowcase. So my daughter's last party, I bought like these butterfly pillows for them, and they are about the size of this clamper pillow case. I just felt like this was so freaking cute for them, and I bought 3 of them to go over all 3 of their pillows. And yeah, I just feel like it's so in theme, Hollywood inspired, like, you know, movie inspired for movie night. Totally worked out. Okay guys, so I got 4 of these bowls. These are like some little trays or whatever, and I can open it up because I'm gonna clean it. That's a plastic tray, and I actually thought they was gonna be a little bit bigger than this, but it's like a little bitty tray right here. And they can put like dipping sauces in here. And they can put like a burger or something in here. We're going to try to see if we can fit a burger and fries in this little thing. But I actually thought it was going to be a little bit bigger than this. And it came with 4 of them. And so, yeah, it's just like something for movie night. Okay. And then I got it in black. It did come in, I believe, like a pink, a white, a green. But I just got black because it's like traditional. And then I can also add like little stickers to the bowl if I want to. And I am going to want. Hey guys, so I got these little trophies. I actually thought the trophies was bigger. I was going to get them off of Amazon, but I was like, you know what? SHEIN got them for cheaper. I think I should just get them off SHEIN. Maybe if I would have got them off of Amazon, it would have came bigger than this. But it came with 3 in a pack, and it worked out perfectly because I have 3 daughters. So this is what it looks like right here. If y'all don't know, my daughter's name is Emmy, so it's kind of like a Hollywood Cinema Emmy Awards. So I was going to put like their name and what they're winning the award for. And like best actor, best birthday, best something. I was going to put something on here for them to feel like they won something. And I'm going to still put it on here. It's just, this is so freaking little, but it's cool. You know, it don't have to be nothing too huge. I just felt like the Amazon ones was bigger, and maybe I should check the size, but I still like it. It's still pretty cute. And I got 3 of them. I don't need no more than 3, baby. We don't need no extra stuff. We trying to get rid of stuff. We ain't trying to. So I went ahead and got my daughter a black shirt because she said she didn't have a black shirt already. They already have like an older black shirt or something that they've been having, then I'll just go ahead and use that. But my daughter was saying she doesn't have an old black shirt that's plain. So I just went ahead and got her a new black shirt. And I got this in 11Y. It like scrunches up on the sides here. And it's really cute. So I feel like she gonna look cute with this. And then we got those black pajamas to match. My other 2 daughters, they already have black shirts. When I actually customize these shirts, make sure you guys check out those videos of me customizing the shirts and stay tuned for that. Click that subscribe button down below. Right here, I have some cups. I believe these are the cups because I don't see the cups so far. So I believe these are the black cups that I got that came with tops and straws. Here are the tops. And y'all, these are reusable. And you can put them in the dishwasher. Let me see. Yeah, like you can put them in a dishwasher or you can hand wash them. They came with like the black tops. I bought some black and gold straws online, so I wasn't necessarily going to use the straws that it came with. But all of the cups came with straws. So these are the cups. And it just come with like a little top. And then you can add the straw in there. But I'm not going to use the straws. I have like some black and gold straws. Maybe when they don't want to use the black and gold straws, I bought 100 of the black and gold straws, so hopefully they use them. So we got 5 of these cups. And I just feel like this is really good. This whole thing with these cups was like $10, y'all, for the 5 cups with the tops and the straws. Pretty good. So I'm going to be making her like a little leg sign that says snack bar. And I'm also going to be making one that says cinema. And I got these lights. They are battery powered. And they come with like these little bulbs. And this is like 3 meters. Supposed to be like 20 of them on this. I didn't need too much because I'm going to like gap them out and space them out just around like the sign. But I did pick up these. Then you guys, I also bought a clamper board. This is like the actual clamper board. And y'all, I also bought a megaphone as well from Amazon, but I didn't put it together or whatever, but I have it over there in the corner. I'm gonna open this clamper board, see if it's working. I was actually gonna buy all of these things off of Amazon, but SHEIN had some stuff that was like way cheaper, so I was just like, I'm already on SHEIN, let me go ahead and get that. I'm going to mention everything that I got off of Amazon in my vlogs and also on the videos of me creating everything, so just stay tuned for that. But this is the clamper board. And I just know my daughter's gonna love these. I got 2 of the gold candles, you guys. They just like some regular gold candles. I have this letter, and it's supposed to look like some type of thread. It's supposed to look like a knitted type alphabet, but I was actually gonna spell her name on like the cake pops and stuff. So I just went ahead and got the letters. My last daughter's party, I had picked up the numbers, so I didn't have to buy that again because I can just use the same thing to make the different treats. They all always have different things. So next, I have this star mold. And that was also some molds too. It's like a letter mold, but this is the star mold. And I'm just going to be making like some stars, because I feel like stars is like more in the theme. So these are the star molds. So cute. And it's just going to look really cute like on cake pops and a cake and all of this stuff. So it's just going to look really cute. Next, I got this blow up inflatable. I'm going to be having like a backdrop and a red carpet and all of the things. And I got this like thing right here so they can have like little props when they want to take a picture. And this is like a crown. It's an inflatable crown, so I would like blow it up. It kind of look a little different. I don't know if it's because I don't have it blown up yet, but either way, it was just for a prop. I wasn't expecting nothing too crazy. It's just like a little inflatable crown. You probably can't see what it looks like right now, but you just blow it up and just play with it while you're in front of the thing, taking little pictures and stuff with this. It's just like a little prop for pictures. I also put some feather boas in my thing so they can have like they just on the runway or whatever, but literally when I was checking out, it sold out. So I guess everybody wanted feather boas. Okay guys, I got 2 packs of these streamers. These are 2 of the foil fringe fountain streamers. And they had them in different colors, but I picked the gold because I feel like it'll stand out better and stand out more. Moving on, you guys, I have like these little trays that they will use at the movies. You know how little kids be having the little trays and they be carrying their food in the little trays, and they can put like the little drinks and the popcorn or the nachos and the box of candy right there. I got these for them so they can be able to do that. Now, this is very much optional because I also did pick up trays for the popcorn. If they use that, they're more than likely just probably put some nachos and dip in that. And then they could probably put their little black cups inside of the holder where the holder is. It's like this little holder part. They could probably put the black cups that I showed y'all in that. And then this part right here, maybe like some candy or something. I could buy like personal candies and they could put it in there. And then right here, it would just be like a tray for like the nachos. But this came with, I believe, 4 or 5 of them. So it just worked out perfectly. Now, I said that was optional because I did get popcorn buckets for them. These are the actual popcorn buckets. And they can even put these inside of that box thing. Like, just stick it in there if they want to. But I just feel like they're not going to do that. This came with 4 of them. I tried to order them off of Dollar Tree. I don't know if y'all go to Dollar Tree, y'all can find something that's similar. It might not look like this one, but they have something that's like this. And you can get the bigger ones for the same size as the small ones. So, you know, each is on. I tried to order that off of there and see if they had it in stock. They didn't. So that's when I went ahead and bought these off of SHEIN. And I believe I only paid like under $10. So this was really good. Next, you guys, I did get me a black shirt, I believe. But I think I already have black shirts. But I just got one just in case I didn't. This is what it looks like. It's just like a little small black shirt. It'll go really good with those pajama pants that we're going to be wearing for movie night. I already have some white bows from my other daughter's birthday party that I had did. Butterfly mystery garden party. I did some cake popsicles for her and I used bows on them and it just made it look so freaking cute. And I have some leftover white bows. I actually have leftover bows from all of that. But I will be using some of those white bows. And for this particular theme, we're doing red, black, white, and gold. So I did pick up some black bows. These are a little bit smaller. But I did pick up some black bows, some red bows, and some gold bows. The gold bows are probably like the same size as the white ones that I used on the last cake pops. But it'll all tie in and work out. I really like this and I love how everything is just coming together in my brain. It just makes it easy to come together in real life. So for the table, I did go ahead and get a black tablecloth. It's like one of them plastic ones that be like $1 or something. And I'm just going to add some of this confetti. I have gold confetti and I also have red confetti. And these are stars. Y'all, these are the stars. So freaking cute. We just got red and gold because if I would have got black, you wouldn't really be able to see them. Unless that's your vibe, you can get that. But they didn't have any white ones. And yeah, I wanted to stay on theme. Red, black, and gold, and white. Okay. Also to add to like the party favors and stuff. Because I do want to get these blankets for party favors. Because I don't even think they're going to really be like using them for real. But knowing my kids, they might use them for real. Okay. Or they might be putting them for their little baby dolls or something. I got these keychain charms to go and add to the party favors, and I just feel like it's gonna work out so freaking good. It came with a cinema, look like a movie ticket, and that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be making like movie tickets for us and everything, like it's the real deal, like for real. Okay, it got stars, like it's like an award or something, so that's really cute. I'm gonna actually let the birthday girl pick her two, and then the other two daughters, they're gonna just get whichever two they want. So then I have a clamper board here, so cute. It came with like this cute popcorn box, popcorn keychain. This is really cute, y'all. And they have like this now showing. And I tried to get multiple ones, y'all, but I know y'all probably like, why you didn't just get the 6 for each kid or whatever? But they literally was out of stock on a lot of this stuff. I was literally getting only the last of stuff. I literally was getting the last of a lot of things. I got this now showing keychain. So cute. And that's what I'm going to be making for her, like a now showing sign. And then we also have this filming camera right here. As y'all can see, the vibes are coming together. Okay, y'all, since I'm going to be making her some treats and stuff, and I like to decorate the cake pops, and I want to get creative, I did order some things off of Amazon, which was like a clamper board. It came with like a filming camera. It came with a lot of the actor type stuff. Whole mold thing that it came with for you to like put on your cake or use for funding. I found this popcorn mold, so I can use this and I can make like little cute popcorns all over her treats too, since it's like a movie theme. Like, who you know doing it like this? Because I ain't seen it being done, baby. But nah, for real, we're gonna literally use this, the stars, the filming tape, the clamper board, all of that is gonna be on the cake pops and everything, and this is so freaking cute. Okay, guys, so I have these star toothpicks. It just has like a gold star on these toothpicks. I literally got this because I thought it was so freaking cute. And like when I have like little bitty finger foods on the table or whatever, I can like stick this in there. But then I necessarily got this like to make the burgers and then stick the toothpick in the top center of the burger. I was gonna stick this in there so the burger can look like a little theme. Yeah, we were gonna do that one. Since I'm gonna have like candy bowls, I have these little clampers and it came with 4 of them. So I'm gonna have like 4 bowls. So people won't be digging their hands in it. They can just use these little clampers, and it came with hearts on the little clamp thing. Y'all can't really see, but yeah, that's what it is. This looks like some little gold clampers, and gold since it's in theme. They didn't have to be too big. It's like the little tongs to grab stuff. It's a confetti cannon, and I just feel like it's so in theme, like, because my daughter is born on New Year's Day, and today is New Year's Day. Although we're not doing the thing today on Wednesday, we are doing a little something for her. I do have these confetti cannons, and it came with 4 of them. They're confetti cannons, and literally you will turn the knob and it just shoot out all the glitter and all the things that's gonna make my house a mess. Even though I just cleaned up my house for the new year. But you gotta love kids and their birthdays. But so freaking good, guys, and this will literally be the end of my video. That is everything that I got off of SHEIN for my daughter's birthday party, which is a Hollywood cinema inspired. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you check out my vlogs, my other videos, and how I'm going to be putting this stuff together, because we definitely going to be doing that. And if you like the vibes up over here, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can see more. And we'll love to have y'all. I really appreciate you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.